In this video, I'll show you how to find transaction history on the Binance app. First, open the Binance app on your phone and log into your account. Make sure you are using the official Binance app because your transaction history contains important details about your deposits, withdrawals, transfers, trades, conversions, and other account activity. Once you are on the home screen, tap Wallets at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open your wallet overview, where you can see different wallet sections such as spot, funding, earn, futures, and more, depending on what services you use. Now choose the wallet section related to the transaction you want to find. For example, if you want to check crypto deposits, withdrawals, or spot activity, tap Spot. If you want to check P2P payments, funding transfers, or payment activity, tap Funding. Inside the wallet section, look for History, Transaction History, Records, or a small clock icon. The exact name may look slightly different depending on your Binance app version, but it is usually near the top of the wallet page. Tap that option to open your transaction records. Here, Binance will show a list of your recent activity. You may see different categories, such as deposit, withdraw, transfer, convert, buy, sell, or distribution. To find a specific transaction faster, use the filters on the page. You can choose the transaction type, select the coin, and set a date range. For example, if you are looking for a USDT withdrawal, select Withdraw, choose USDT, and check the correct date. When you find the transaction, tap on it to see more details. Binance may show the amount, status, date, network, transaction ID, wallet address, and fee. If the transaction is still pending, you can also check its current progress from this screen. If you cannot find the record, make sure you are checking the correct wallet section. Some transactions appear under Spot, while others may appear under Funding, Earn, Futures, or P2P records. And that's how you find transaction history on the Binance app. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.